Dear students, in this video we try to learn area of a triangle or area of quadrilateral or area of triangle, area of a quadrilateral, area of a pentagon. Pentagon means having 5 sides. Area of a hexagon. Hexagon means having 6 sides. For all these you have different formula. For this you have different formula, for this different formula, for this different, for this different. Now we try to apply a formula which is true in all the cases. అంటే ఒకే ఫార్ములా అన్నిటికీ ఉపయోగపడేటట్టుగా ఉండేది నేర్చుకుందాం. For that we try to learn this new point. Suppose there are 4 numbers like this: A, B, C, D. This is calculated as multiply AD minus BC. You should know this calculation. A new calculation you have to learn now. Means, suppose 2, 3, 1 minus 2. How to find the value of this one? This is A, B, C, this is D. By comparison, AD means 2 into minus 2. That is minus 4. Here you are having minus, so minus. 3 ones are 3. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. Now we go with the other one. 0, 7, 4, 2. How to calculate this one? 0 into 2. 0 minus 7 fours are 28. 0 minus 28. Minus 28. In many of the problems, we try to use this formula. Det ABCD. AD minus BC. So, all the calculation is done only with the help of AD minus BC. Now we try with one more, and this will be the last one. Minus 1, minus 2, 3, 4. How? Minus 1 into 4. Minus 1 into 4. Minus 4 minus 3 into minus 2. That is minus 6. Which is minus 4 minus into minus plus 6. 6 minus 4 how much? 2. So minus 1, 4 is to be multiplied first. That is minus 4. In the formula you are having minus, so minus. Multiply these two. It is minus 6. Minus into minus plus. Minus 4 plus 6 is 2. I think you are habituated to do this type of calculation. Right. Now we try to see new formula for area of triangle, which is much easy than your 10th formula. A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. How many points? 3 points. With 3 points you can form a triangle. Already we know a triangle is formed only with the non-collinear points. అంటే ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫామ్ చేయాలి అంటే అవి ఒకే లైన్ మీద ఉండకూడదు. మూడు ఒకే లైన్ మీద ఉంటే ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫామ్ అవ్వదు కదా. ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫామ్ అవ్వాలి అంటే మూడవ పాయింట్ లైన్కి అవుట్ సైడ్ ఉండాలి. అప్పుడే జాయిన్ చేయటం పాసిబుల్ అయ్యి ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫార్ములా రాస్తున్నాను. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏబిసి. వెరీ సింపుల్. హాఫ్. What is the first vertex here? A. x1 y1. Write like this, x1 y1. What is the next vertex? B. What is B? x2 y2. x2 y2. What is third vertex? C. What is C? x3 y3. After writing all the three vertices, what you have written at the beginning, you have to close with the same. అంటే A అనే వర్టెక్స్ రాసి x1 y1, నెక్స్ట్ B వర్టెక్స్ x2 y2, నెక్స్ట్ C వర్టెక్స్ x3 y3. స్టార్టింగ్ ఏమి రాశామో దాంతో ఎండ్ చేయాలి, x1 y1. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తామో చూడండి. ప్రీవియస్ సమ్ మళ్ళీ చేస్తున్నాను. A 5 1 minus 5 1, B 5 5, C 10 7. So area of triangle half. First time ఉంది minus 5 1, so minus 5 1. Next second 5 5, so 5 5. Next third 10 7. 3 ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. ఇన్ కేస్ ఫోర్త్ కూడా ఉంటే అది క్వాడ్రేటర్లో అవుతుంది. ఫోర్త్ కూడా రాసుకొని స్టార్టింగ్ ఏదైతే రాశామో దాంతో క్లోజ్ చేయాలి, ఎండ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ 3 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 3 రాశాను. స్టార్టింగ్లో రాసిందే ఎండింగ్లో రాయాలి. సపోజ్ డి కూడా ఉందనుకోండి, అప్పుడు డి కూడా రాసి స్టార్టింగ్ ఏదైతే రాశారో దాంతో ఎండ్ చేయాలి. రైట్. నౌ హాఫ్ ఏబిసిడి. ఇందాక క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఏంటి? ఏబిసిడి మల్టిప్లై ఏడి. హౌ మచ్? minus 25 minus BC. 5 1s are 5. This is AD minus this is BC, means product of these two. Just cancel this, put plus. Now apply the same formula for these two. Again AD, so 35 minus BC. What is BC? 50. Put plus and remove this. Again apply AD minus BC for these two. So 10 minus BC, 7 into minus 5, minus 35. So minus into minus plus 35. See once again the calculation. For these two, AD minus BC. AD means minus 25 minus BC. 5 ones are 5. After applying AD minus BC, put plus. Again for these two, AD minus BC. 35 minus BC. 50. After applying AD minus BC, put plus and again apply AD minus BC. 10 minus minus. Since in this multiplication you got minus 35, so minus into minus plus. Now half minus 25 minus 5 minus 30 minus 30 minus 15 minus 85. 35 plus 35 minus 25 minus 5 minus 30 minus 30 minus 15, it is minus 80. Minus 80. 35 plus 35, 70. 70 plus 10, 80. So plus 80 minus 80 gets cancelled. That is 0. 0 into half, 0. So area of triangle how much? 0. Area of triangle equal to 0. So instead of using your 10th standard formula, this formula is applied for any number of vertices. Suppose if you have 4 vertices, first of all write first vertex, second vertex, third vertex, fourth vertex. Later again close with the first vertex. If you have 5 vertices, first vertex, second vertex, third vertex, fourth vertex, fifth vertex. Later close with the first vertex. Likewise, this formula we can apply for any number of vertices. Means if you have 3 vertices or 4 vertices or 5 or 6. Right. So we try to go with one more example. A 1 2, B 7 6, C 4 minus 2. Area of triangle how much? Area of triangle how much? Very simple formula. Half. What is A? 1 2. What is B? 7 6. What is C? 4 minus 2. Since I have written all the vertices, close with the first one. That equal to half. For these 2, apply AD minus BC. For these 2, AD how much? 6 minus BC, 7 2s are 14. After completion of AD minus BC, put plus. Next, for these 2, what is AD? 7 into minus 2, minus 14, minus BC, how much? 6 4s are 24. After applying AD minus BC, put plus and apply the same formula for these 2. So 4 2s are 8 minus BC minus 2 into 1, minus 2. So, half 6 plus 8, 14, plus 14 minus 14 get cancelled. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 minus 14 gets cancelled. Minus 14 minus 24, minus into minus plus. So, minus 14 minus 24 plus 2. Minus 14 plus 2, minus 12. Minus 12 minus 24, minus 36. This is the modulus. Modulus makes the negative number as a positive. So, half into 36. How much? 18. So, area of this triangle ABC is 18 square units. 18 square units. So, this formula is little easy to apply for area of triangle. I hope you follow this formula. Right.